Yo, what's going on, team? Check this out, man. Peter is on fire, man. He started an account today just for fun with $12, and he flipped it to $150, then withdrew $81, made $150 from $12, man. What the fuck is going on with you, Peter, man? He's just using the rich split like crazy. Like, I've asked him what he does, and he is using the rich split money management system that you will find inside of the course. He's from South Africa, so for him, like $100 per day is a lot of money. I mean, he has won a giveaway. I think he has won $500 giveaway, and then he started his live account with $500. This is 10,000 South African rands. Okay, this is around 500 US dollars. Now check it out what he does with his account, man. He has just flipped it on the net. He was only trading NAS 100. Like what the fuck? Have you seen the result? It's like 60,000 rands profit. That's 3,500 profit. He flipped this account from 10,000 rands to 80,000 rands to 70,000 rands with, I don't know what that credit is, like 10,000 credit as well. But man, what the fuck is going on? He flipped it like in 3 weeks from $500 to more than 4,000. That's crazy, man. That's really, really, really a fucking high return of investment. That's not normal. Man, Peter is not normal, man. He's not from this world, for real, man. He's a beast, man. And he wants it so bad. Man, it's so crazy, man. You're fucking crazy, man. Really. And I have a long chat with him, man. He started... when he first sent me a message, it was last year, August, around August. Yeah, he was sending me messages in August, guys. Now it's nearly 1 year later, and he's making money like crazy, man. Really crazy money. Man, I'm proud of you, bro. I'm proud of you, man. Keep doing what you do, man, and keep me updated. I'm sure you are motivating a lot of people in the group, man. Really, man. Thank you so much, brother. I wish you all a great time. Enjoy your evening. Peace out.